This video will cover the find tool and the advanced find tools. Um, most people know about Control F. If you don't, you can use Control F to quickly find something on paper. So when I find stuff about computer or CS, um, Control F, or on a Mac, Command F, or I can go to Edit, Find, Replace. I can also use Control H to bring up the advanced menu. Now, Advanced Find has some features, including match case. So if I want to look for every instance where I use the word white, but only look for lowercase instances, I can make sure I never used lowercase white or lowercase black. I can also look for instances where I used, say, computer science. And I can go to, so let's go to the top of the paper. I'll put my cursor there. And technically, I shouldn't be using computer science most of the time. I should be using CS because I put a abbreviation at the first spot. So let's go here and hit next and move this little window. And oh, look, I should actually replace that with CS. So let's actually go CS and replace. Now, this is dangerous to do replace. I could replace all, but that's a dangerous tool because it might replace places I don't want to. So I'm going to manually hit replace. I can probably replace it there. This is a quote from, this is a direct quote, so I'm not going to go to that one. So I'm going to hit next. I replace that one. I replace that one. So that's a really powerful tool. The find tool is even more powerful if you look at this. So regular expressions are super powerful tools. Don't worry about too much about how they work. If you actually need to build one, I typically use something called regextester.com. I can put a link in our um, on the site for this under the tools page. Uh, but they let you build items, strings that sort of build more complicated searches. I'll give you one that I came up with for an example is I want to find every place I refer to ninth, 12th, or 11th grade. The way I would do that was I would use \D for looking for digits. Oh, no, sorry, in a find field. \D, so I was going to find every digit. But I only want to look for one or two digits. And I rebuilt this using regex tester, and then I want to look for th. So it's going to show you every place I do th. 9th, 10th, 12th. And I can find it if I didn't put I could actually sell any place I did not put. I could say without, with zero, 0, 1, do, I could do, um, I could say something like missing a hyphen. So if I do, I believe it would be, so it looks like I'd want, to do, so maybe I'd use exactly 0. And then, so it finds it without the hyphen. That's not quite what I want. Oh, I could put the space. Now tell me where I find the space after it. That would do it. So ninth, so I could then replace that with, Let's see what they did. Oh, nope. I replaced it with the actual regular fashion, so I cannot do that way. I'd have to actually just go manually put the fashion. So, regex is a really powerful function. So Control H or Control F, and you can also do Control F, and then you can do, if you hit the drop down, more options, the dot dot will bring you the more powerful version. Regex are powerful. Don't worry about learning about them. They are powerful if you know about them. Uh, Once you learn about them, they are a super powerful tool, and they kind of annoy you learn to be really annoyed when websites don't handle text properly. So that's find and find replace and the advanced find tool.